Introducing the Army's latest acquisition, Megalodon. Built another dual cab using two Marx E7 shells. I cut the back ends off and glued them together using Plastruct and JB Weld to reinforce everything. I made the decals for the front, the teeth, and also the back has teeth too. And there's 19-volt LEDs in the front as well as a red blinking LED in the back. The side decals are from Techmod. It's got a E7 power pull motor in it. And then it's pulling some Army cars that I painted, some things that I found on eBay, helicopters and tanks and landing craft and some rockets and some artillery pieces. So we'll take a look at it. It's also got a MRC 1815 sound system in it. Get a look at the Megalodon decal on the side there. If I can get my camera to go back where, there we go. Okay, it runs great, looks mean. Thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.